Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but the self-proclaimed Queen of Bokeh is back with another blurry cityscape. I love this piece. Definitely on top of the list of my favorites at the moment. It reminds me of rush hour after work. When the sky is turning dark, the city is coming to life with all the lights and the streets are lit by brake lights from the cars stuck in traffic, while I would spectate from the bar with a glass of whiskey in hand. And that's probably because I missed the golden window to leave early and escape the traffic. And then Uber came about, and I realized that I don't hate traffic jams as long as I'm in the backseat and not driving. It's become a little time and space to escape from the world around you and declutter your thoughts, organize your schedule, or an opportunity for a quick shut eye. But while being a backseat passenger princess has its perks, I've also realized that I've gotten a bit lazier. When we drive, the act of getting behind the wheel, stepping on the pedals, and making our way to the destination is a form of achievement. By achievement, I mean we want to buy something, we get it. We want to go somewhere, we get up and go. It's a simple goal, get the habit to combat the inner sloth. I haven't driven in years, my license is probably expired, but while painting this and all the red brick lights, I suddenly feel an itch to step on the pedal and go for a long drive. Having said that, I probably have anxiety behind the wheels now. I thought a lot about whether I should add a flower or just leave it as it is, but I couldn't resist. I love a dash of nature amongst the concrete. It might seem a little out of place, but for me, it's like an observer, a breath of life amidst the madness of the perpetual rat race. Today's flower is not the typical rose or tulips but a globe amaranth, also known as the Gomphrena globosa. I was obsessed with this plant as a child. My neighbor used to plant in their backyard and I thought they looked like candies on the stem. They're really pretty in the summer with their lime green foliage that contrasts nicely with the bright fuchsia ball-shaped flowers. My single sweet child talks to convince my parents to plant a whole front yard of this plant, but no one in my family has green thumbs and they all wilted shortly after they were planted. So we ended up with a front yard filled with dead plants during the peak of summer. Fun times. Anyway, this whole piece took a long time to paint, but I have no complaints. I enjoyed the whole process throughout this painting and I'm inspired to start on another bokeh piece. I hope you like this artwork as much as I do. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
place where I can be by myself. I've been drowning